Hello everyone. So I wanted to do a quick flip through of the last ones that I decorated as the pockets, booklet pockets. I thought these were amazing. They turned out really well. Again, it was just some old book pages that we reused. This one I had a bit of fun with though, I'll admit it. I thought makes sense with the Jungle Book. Alright, so for today we're going to work on some envelope pouches, which is like this. Just basic envelope pouches, nothing too extravagant about these. But what I was thinking is taking the average book pages and stuff like that and using them for inside the envelopes. Now, this came out of an old book, 1964. It's an old service/hymnal book. So, it is an old book. Just because you're going to be like, oh, how is that an old book page? It is. Trust me, it really is. Okay, before I end up ripping this, I want to make sure this is backwards instead of forward though on this, because when it comes time to putting it on together, it's gonna go like this. So that is like my first on comment there. If you want your pages to fold correctly, this is my way of doing it. You do not have to do it the same way. And I like using two pages like this because then you know the one's for stability. It's just to make it more sturdy, less flyable, less of an issue. So like that. And then you want to leave a little bit of a gap here, so I pre-fold it up a little bit here. Now, when this happens, it really is an easy fix. Voila, they're lined up now. Now, you can choose to do this. You can choose not to. I'm going to do this. And again, this is a great way to use what you have. You don't necessarily have to be perfect in every single way with this. I don't mind if I'm get it on this page because this page is going to be my inside page. So hence the reason why I'm just rub it along. And of course everything's moving on me when I'm doing this. I move my whole entire desk somehow when I do this. I don't know how, but we'll start mass making after we're done with this first half. These just don't want to stay where I have them. There. Alright. Now, some people do it a different way, and I will show you that other way in a moment here. Just want to glue this on. Now I want something, I think, to hold this, which I'm not too sure what I want, but I think I have some interesting chipboard pieces on this that might work. Yeah, so then definitely holds it down, or I can definitely stick a chipboard piece on this, the flap itself, and get rid of that word gas. I'm gonna do that. Now I don't know if this is a sticker or not. Oh, it is. It is a sticker. Again, I just think that adds a little closure there, and then put a little piece there. But this is a sticker. So I'm going to actually stick this Okay, so if you ever want a sticker that doesn't stick necessarily, use your art glitter glue for one, or any kind of glue, honestly, just as long as you're not wrecking it. And this is all I'm doing at this point, just ripping the edge off is to the best of my ability here. It may not turn out as perfectly as you want it to, but it will make it so it ain't sticky in the back, which is my point of doing it this way. And nobody has to see your words then on that necessarily. So then I'm just do this. And again, that just made it look completely different. Now I want a butterfly or a flower right there, I think, just to give it a little additional swagger here. Yeah. Except this one is a little too white in my mind. I don't like that white edging there. Alright. Again, it gives it just a completely new look, but still keeps the integrity of using the old papers. And you could also use scrapbooking paper for the outside part, and regular, you know, any other papers that you have for the inner part. Again, that's all based on you. and what you feel like doing. I really don't like how this edge is coming up, so all I'm doing is taking a little bit of art glitter glue there, and voila, it quits doing that. Alright, now we want this to go back under here. And there we go. So we got one completed. Now I'm gonna just start mass making as much as I can. If this video ends up dying before I'm done doing it, my apologies, but again, I'm just gonna start taking papers and mass making. It's just a great way to use up what you have. Ooh, I really like that side. Do I like this side better? No. Alright. And again, it's a great way to use your big papers versus your small papers and all that jazz. Just have fun with it. I kind of really want that to be that way. And I forgot all about so my papers are not going to be bright with that one. Oh well. Some things can be backwards, I guess. Gotta keep on reminding myself. Okay, which way do I want it? And I'll probably be keeping all my scraps, put all my scraps back in when I'm done. Do I want this side or do I want that side? I think I want that side. With blue. Blue. I know this one I'm not even looking. I'm going to be doing this one a little blind here, but that's okay. Sometimes you need to do it blind instead of doing everything the exact same every single time. Okay, it's done two I don't want to do. I've already done them without realizing it. But I am thinking, let's use some of this. That one. And I also think I want to do one with this. Just because, again, they're ones that I've done, but I haven't. Alright. It ain't gonna matter where I plant this one, hence why I kind of wanted to do it. Okay, and this one I kind of want to do too. I kind of want to make sure it's this boy, so that's on this side. So this one. You know what? Let's do it this way. All right. All right. Now I'm going to start cutting them out. Isn't that pretty? I think I might turn that into a belly band or a tag. Yeah, I'm totally going to be turning that into something. At least I know what I'm going to do ahead of time. Oh my gosh, the meal's just arriving. He was really running late today. There. And you don't necessarily have to do this to every one of them. I just am a creature of habit. We'll decorate after we have a bunch of these done. And again, I'm probably going to keep these pieces for future projects. It's nice to have the stuff pre-done. But I'm going to have to let you go. I have an important phone call to take, but we'll talk to you later. Have a good day or night. Bye.